What's up, guys? Bruce here with Bullish Currency, back at you with another KISHU INU update, guys. As always, all the information we share here is strictly for entertainment education purposes, right? Don't just buy something because we're talking about it. You do what you want with this information, but at the end of the day, it is not financial advice, guys. All right. I'm just simply sharing my thoughts, and that's it. All right. And as always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. All right. Make sure you hit it and you'll be updated on the next KISHU INU video and every other video we drop. All right, because you never know which update's going to be huge. Right, at the end of the day, there's a lot of things going on in the crypto world, these crazy crypto spaces. There's a lot of profits to be made, but there's always something going on. There's always some news. There's always, so you definitely have to be up to date. All right, so with that being said, let's just get right into this. There's not much going on with KISHU INU's like news. They announced something about something, they're working on something in Project K or whatever, but there's no information on that. I can't find any information on that. So who knows? Maybe it's something that's, good. Hopefully, right? I would expect, right? Good for them. We do know they're going into the right direction, like Shiba is, with getting into the right things, getting in, announcing the right collaborations. Their army is strong. They're doing charitable work. They're doing all the right things. To be a community-driven token, they are doing the right things. We can't really argue against that. A lot of green, not much green, but a lot of green. We really got some red here, so that's really not good. 30% to negative on volume, 24-hour volume. But as always, guys, we always got to take a look at the holders. Now, of course, look, guys, when you learn this stuff, you should be taking a look at the holders in your chart every day yourself. If you are an investor and you're putting, you're putting some time and energy into these projects, you might as well be up to date with them, not just with, news, right? With what somebody's tweeting, but the numbers, the stats, like the holders, what's going on here. We're literally very close to getting to that 250,000 holder spot where I do believe we're going to get some interesting announcements, some listings. I think that's going to happen very soon, guys, for KISHU INU. Very, very soon. So you can see the holders are still steady increasing, actually made a nice bigger leap today than the last days. And everything's green right now, not much green, but we are going, we are bullish. We are looking bullish, right? And that's good enough for now. But really what we want to talk about today and get into is the chart. Okay, look at this. So as you can see, we started to really break through. Once we broke through this area here, you can see it just kept going. And then eventually it broke through this area here. And what happened? It basically almost touched this next level, this area here, bounced off, gave us a bullish engulfing. Now we're up here. And now you can see it's coming back, to either retest this area down here or the next one, right? So what I got to do is I got to really pay attention to these next couple of candles, because I want to see what happens when it gets here. And I want to see what happens, if it doesn't hold here. I want to see what happens when it comes down in this area, because we could be looking at a nice bullish pattern that could be forming. We've seen these patterns before, like over here, where we had a nice move. So if we can get that pattern here or down here, we can get a nice solid bullish move right to the upside, which is a good enough move for us to capitalize on, whether you're a trader or not. But that's what I'm predicting. I'm predicting this can come down. And when I mean we, I mean us in the bullish currency community. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for to capitalize on this. Wait till this comes down to this area right here. It's definitely most likely going to fall a little bit more from where it is right now. Just got to find out what level is it going to respect, and is it going to make this pattern similar to what I just said about Shiba. We want to wait for these patterns, for these confirmations. We don't want to just see it at a certain level and just automatically assume history is going to repeat itself or whatever. We want to actually get some more confirmations with patterns and stuff like that. So that's what we're going to be waiting for. All right. So this is a general idea, if I can draw it out, of what I'm looking for. Unfortunately, they don't have the path on that. I can probably draw it out with, just draw it out with the trend line. So I'm expecting it to possibly come here, right? And from there, it could just form the pattern, and then we could see it start to push back up there, right? Or we can actually see it, break through, come down to this area, and then from that area, we can actually see it start to form another pattern and push back up to previous levels. So that's what I'm really looking for. But right now, we're just waiting. We're in the middle of nowhere. There's just, if I was going to decide to just take a project serious and jump in. I'm not until I see what I want to see. And right now I don't see it. It's right here. I think it's going to fall a little bit more. So I have to see the next couple of candles, how they form, and then I'll know. But generally, guys, and in general, I mean, in this area in general, we're ranging where we retested a previous level. This is similar to Shiba in the sense that we retested a previous level, a far previous level. So I believe that this is probably the last time in a long time we're going to be in this area again. All right. I don't think, worst case scenario is we consolidate and we go sideways for a while, which can happen, right? Just like last time. That's worst case scenario, that it stays in this range all the way until who knows how long before we get that other explosion. But I do still believe in this project. I'm very bullish on it. And actually, from where it's at right now, it's actually a great opportunity area for anybody who has not gotten a chance to take this project serious. It's still in this great area. This was a great area. So is this. Yes, if you decide to project serious up here, maybe you're in a little bit of a negative. No biggie, right? That's part of like investing and everything. Not everything just goes in your direction right away or 100% anyway. So this is just another great opportunity in my eyes, based on what I see with the chart, and especially based on what I believe is going to form here. So we're going to go ahead and wait. I'm going to update you guys tomorrow, the next day, of course, as always. And then we're really going to see how this played out, what formed, what happened. And it's going to be some pretty exciting times for KISHU INU holders, because I do believe we're going to see another bull run again, guys, especially after we start to get listed. It's going to be amazing. And we're going to get that moonshot, guys. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be a profitable, bullish day for everybody in the KISHU INU Army, guys. But that's it for today's KISHU INU update. Until the next one, guys, stay blessed and stay bullish.